Well, hello there. Welcome back. I have a special guest here with us today.
Hey!
Yes! This is my flatmate Paul, and today I'm going to be inducting him into the House of Meow.
I can't wait.
As you can see, he's already dressed the part. We just need to complete this. He also dyed my hair today. We are matching in the hair department. Now I just need to match in the face department. So, to start off with, glue his brows down. I made Paul shave today as well, which he wasn't happy about. So just rub that in, get all the hairs covered in glue. I think Paul's brows are a little fuller than mine, so we'll see how this goes, because I'm not used to doing my brows.
Sorry, I got man brows.
Okay, so I went in with another layer of glue. I'm just going to get rid of the gunky bits, and then we'll set that with some powder. Beat that face. Paul's never done drag before, so
Just need to get a wig for next time.
oh my god, we should have got a wig. Yes. Mate, they've like gone so invisible, like why can't mine do this? I should have washed my hand, it's really disgusting from when I did my makeup. Oh well.
Like a little massage.
That's good, isn't it? I get like repetitive strain in my arm from doing this. Flawless.
God, I look so creepy.
You'll look beautiful soon, don't worry.
What powder are you using?
Banana Dreams.
Banana Dreams.
Banana Dreams, yeah. Okay, let's contour this bitch. Beautiful. Very good. And some highlighter. Marvelous.
Actually like the no eyebrow look.
So I have set all the contour with some loose powder. It's gone everywhere. And I'm going to start with the eyebrows now. The CC Meow signature. So I'll start with his actual brow and then just go up and out. Fierce. Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is amazing. Alright, then I'll get my eyebrow brush, which I'm sat on. Okay. Oh yeah, fierce.
Yes.
Oh my god, amazing. Need to start on the eyeshadow. We're gonna do some pink to match Paul's hair and my hair now.
Pink to meet the boys.
Beautiful. We'll do a cut crease. Very good.
That was like really relaxing.
Gonna fall asleep on me. I'm sat on all my brushes. Alright, so I'll just set that concealer with some powder. Fabulous. Okay, now the bit I'm not looking forward to, eyeliner, because I'm so bad at it myself. I don't know how I'm gonna do it on another person. So I've done eyeliner, it's gone okay. It's smudged a bit, but I'll cover it with glitter, so it's fine. I'm gonna...
Fair looks pretty fast.
Pretty fast, bitch, please.
Absolutely fast.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner on the brows now, just adding some hairs. Yes. Get rid of this powder now. And I'll go back in with some bronzer just to define that contour. Yes. And we'll get some highlighter. Do you want to put mascara on your top lashes?
What'd you do?
I'll do it.
Okay. I've never had mascara in my life, that's so weird.
Okay. Glitter time, I think. I'm gonna go for some of this. You can't see it at all. Yes.
Ooh.
Alright, final touch is lips.
Oh my god.
Don't laugh. Yes. So fierce. Alright, I think we're done. Oh my god, we look amazing. Actually, no, you need rhinestones. Oh my god, you look so beautiful.
I love it.
Well, there you have it. Cece and Pauley Meow.
Pauley Meow.
Pauley Meow. I hope you enjoyed watching. We're gonna go and get drunk.
Drink the night away.
Drink the night away. And pretend we're not in lockdown and we're in the club. Slaying every day. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.